Similar, but not really a similar, but different, I guess, in terms of what you're saving. But this is how to batch save layout files, as in the ArcPro layout files, the PAGX files, using Python. It's a similar script, but definitely different. So, but same process. Open Python window, right click, load code into that scripts folder, batch save layout file script.py. This right here looks all good. The thing we need to change is our output location, which is specified by that output folder, starting at the queue. So I'm going to output where I outputted the layouts. And this is going to, assuming we want all 5 of these saved as layouts, this just saved all 5 layouts in this, oops, exact location. These are big files,